Good morning guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Vermosa Bike Trail and halos open lang daw nila itong trail ngayon, then makakausap natin yung may-ari nitong trail. Dito tayo mismo ngayon sa trail. Sir,
morning guys, kumusta po?
Tama po ba kabubukas lang nung bike trail ngayon?
Actually, mga ano na po, we're running 10 months already. We started way back December 2021, December 18 to be precise. So malapit na kami mag 1 year anniversary. Salamat sa mga suporta nyo. No? Yes, you can say nakakabukas again because for the longest time, syempre nag-uulan po. Pag ganyang medyo ulan, hindi masyadong rideable yung track because it's muddy. Pangalawa, of course dito sa Ayala kasi we really promote safety first standards. No? So pag hindi siya safe, talagang hindi kami nagpaparize.
Sa bagong bukas nyo po, magkano na yung rate ngayon?
It's been 20 pesos ever since. No?
20 pesos, makakagala ka na rito.
Yes, whole day na yun. Sa taas ng bilihin, nagtaasan kami, hindi pa nagtataas.
Yun.
Pero ayoko magsalitan tapos, no? Let's see in the future. But currently now, with the same features, 20 pesos pa rin po, the whole day. So, pagpatatak lang kayo dyan, kain kayo for lunch, balik kayo, pakita nyo lang yung tatak nyo for the day, you can still go.
And nag-o-offer na rin po kayo ng mga snack?
Oh, yes. Kasi pag medyo umikot sila, gusto mag-recover, technically kailangan meron kang refreshments, beverages, tubig. Ngayon may coffee kami. In the future, we're going to serve lugaw for syempre para maka-recover sila. Tapos pag umaga kasi dito, kung di mo we get around 1,000 plus riders. Mas lalo na pag weekend. Kasi parang nagiging bike haven, bike spot ko eh. Bike mecca. Mas lalo for the road bikers. No? Masarap umikot dito kasi the area is very safe to ride. Meron siyang bike lanes left and right. The same with the track. Kung gusto mo mag-off-road, very safe po yan. This facility is well maintained. It is guarded. We don't operate without the security personnel. We are adept in terms of tawag nito, pag may emergency, may response time kami dito. Less than 10 minutes, meron na ambulansya dito. Way back siguro mga Feb, nung nagpapa-event ako, ideally kasi pag pumipiti ka dito may permit. Medyo bawal before, no? When I opened the track, no, I sought the permission of the Ayala to allow everybody from bloggers to photographers to be able to share their content. Kasi of course ano yan tulong sa atin yan para ma-propagate at mapasikat lalo yung place, no? Ang isa sa mga objectives dito really is to increase awareness and increase bicycle and jogging foot traffic para sa mga users, no? So please join us, no? Come visit us. We are open 6 o'clock to 10. Stress test yata yan, heat stress test nila. So, inaalaw namin minsan pag professional athletes or talagang kumakarera.
Doon po sa mga gustong pumunta rito na walang bisikleta, meron po bang rental?
Yes. Every weekend, kasi nga, because of the weather, now that everybody is starting to normalize, everything is starting to normalize in terms of the weather conditions. No? Normally, every Tuesday to Sunday, bukas kami. But, effectively today, nag-open lang kami ng Saturday and Sunday, hopefully. Kasi, andun yung tao eh. At saka pangalawa, base ng riders na available is really on weekends. Abangan nyo, currently nga hanggang 6 o'clock na, no? Meron kaming bagong project with Vermosa na to allow bikers to rent bicycles up to 10 o'clock in the evening. So may night bike rides na.
Magkakaroon ng night ride dito.
Bike rentals at night naman.
Magkano
So,
nga po pala yung rating nung
sa ngayon, boss, ang
rental?
rating per bike is about 150 pesos
Per hour.
Diba? Pero eventually, upgrade our bikes and offer trikes, Japanese modeled bikes, bicycles with yung pwedeng sakyan ng bata, safety seats. So introduce namin yan dito sa Belmosa for rent. Hopefully soon, by next month, October na pala, no? By mid-October, baka pwede na yan. Hinihintay ko lang yung approval ng espasyo. You know, we have to identify the number of bikes that we are going to purchase and have rented.
Ilang kilometro nga po pala yung trail natin?
Just to give you an idea, we are on a 2.2 hectare land property.
Apa.
The entire block is about 2 hectares plus. The trail itself, yung rota, isang ikot, nasa 2.3 kilometers. So mga 3 ikot ka dito, solve ka na.
Solve na.
Kape ka ulit, kain, pahinga konti, 3 ulit.
And yung mga merienda natin dito, presyong kaibigan.
Kaibigan naman. At saka, feel mo na lang mamaya, medyo ano naman siya. It's about quality. And we cater to all the ages. From coffee, merong energy drink, merong KD biscuits and stuff. Hopefully makakuha na tayong rice meals din. Wala pa kasi kami kuryente dito.
Pero magkakaroon po ng mga breakfast meal.
Yung madali i-prepare. Like lugaw, tokot baboy, we're thinking sopas, champurado with tuyo. We're finalizing the menu. Maganda pa ho yung ano namin. Nakikita nyo itong mga
paleta
dito, ang motif paleta talaga. Everything is wooden, no? Even the industrial furniture. Gawa ho lahat sa paleta yan. The trail is conducive for, of course, MTB.
Yes.
Gravel, number 1. At saka fat bike, pwede dito.
Pwede.
Tapos,
Pwede yung gravel
may mga anak chikiting from 3 years old to 9 years old, meron tayong kiddie trail dyan.
Yun.
Meron kiddie trail na pwedeng ilakad yung bike, magkasama ng yaya, magkasama ng aso, pusa, mga kapatid, at sila pwede mag-enjoy dyan sila. It's very secured and happy place for everybody. Come and visit us. Mga naging sponsors namin last race was basically sila Fitbar, Wheeltech, KTM, Bike Industry, Scans, Santa Fe, Bike, si Vermosa, of course, PSP, andyan yan, Ekoy, One Premier, Pascual, Imprint Customs, Race Yaya, yan po. For this leg, itong susunod, nag-commit na sila Ekoy again. We have a new sponsor,
Yan pong
Harvey's.
shades na yan. Yun.
Itong Ekoy, maglalabas siya ng bagong MTB helmets. Abangan nyo, medyo affordable naman. Nasa price range ng para siyang nasa 9K. Kasi mga cycling helmets niya medyo matataas 16 plus 18. Itong shades, very nice, nasa almost 8,000. Better than the other brands, no? Tapos meron tayong magandang discount sa mga apparel nila. Okay? Imprint Customs will be co-sponsoring the Tyrelista 2. They will be giving out Imprint Customs merchandise to everybody who's going to join. Meaning everybody. Tapos magpapa-raffle off tayo ng mga, syempre, premium prizes. Baka magpa-raffle off tayo ng bisikleta. Maru also said yes already to our race. He's going to sponsor 1KD bike. Meron siyang 20-inch MTB, 7-speed na maganda, worth mga around 10,000. So ilalabas niya yung 10. Tapos, papagamit niya sa mga bata. Kung sino manalo sa karera, ipapauwi niya na yung bisikleta. Diba? So, ganun ka babait.
Kailan mangyayari yan, sir?
This is going to happen on November 5 and 6. Do visit our page, Vermosa Bike Trails. Click the link. Everything is there. The current race will be on November 5 and 6. November 5 will be the kiddie race. November 6 will be the grown-ups race. Tapos November 27, i-plug ko na din, no? Yung duathlon leg 3 will happen, no? So abangan nyo yan. Nireretaso ko na yung online procedure for registration and payments. Hopefully by next Monday, this Monday na pala, ilabas na namin yung link para makapag-register na. It is going to happen on November 27. Maraming salamat, sir!